Today we're comparing Lightroom versus Luminar Neo versus Capture One. Which photo editing software is the best for professionals? Lightroom offers powerful photo editing, cloud syncing, AI tools, and an excellent workflow for organizing and editing large photo libraries. Luminar Neo focuses on AI-powered editing with one-click enhancements, creative effects, and advanced tools that make professional editing faster and easier. Capture One is built for professional photographers, offering industry-leading color grading, tethered shooting, and precise editing controls for maximum image quality. The overall winner is Lightroom because it delivers the best balance of powerful editing tools, AI features, photo management, and cross-platform support, making it the top choice for most photographers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.